Hey guys, welcome back. We're back to our gardening channel here now. We're like gardening experts now. Actually, we don't know anything about gardening. I've never really done a garden, so we're kind of learning along with you. But anyways, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add some real nice soil that I had laying around. I've had this for a while, so we're just gonna go ahead and add this to the top, and then mix it in. So I gotta go ahead, try to spread it out around a little bit. Try to keep it in the box. There you go. Do you need help?
Do we need to save some for the other one or not really?
Nah. Nah, let's just do it in this one. Dude, get it lower. You're blowing out. Okay, you gotta watch the wind. A lot of this stuff is really dry, so it's blowing out of the raised bed box. And speaking of the raised beds, the reason why I did raised beds is the soil back here is a lot of clay, and it doesn't let water drain through hardly at all. So I wanted to get a better soil mix and get it up off the ground, so when it does rain, the water will drain through the soil and not drown the plants. Because if I just did it straight into the ground here, it's such wet and clay soil, it doesn't drain very well, and it would not be as good for certain plants. So again, I sound like I know what I'm talking about, but I really don't. But that's what's cool about reading books. So anyways, catch you next time. See ya.